So, in this tutorial, we will learn how to do a schematic on KiCad. We will be designing a simple circuit consisting of a 100 ohm resistor, 1 diode, a 2-pin connector, a 3.3 volt power source, and a ground pin. First, launch KiCad. On the menu under File, create a new project. It is always safe to create a new folder for each project. We will name our folder Test, and in it, we will save our project file, which we'll call Test1. A project file, test1.pro, is created under which we have test1.KiCad PCB, which is the printed circuit board editor, and test1.SCH, which is the electronic schematic editor. Double-click on test1.SCH to open the Eeschema window, which is used for schematic designing. To select the components for our schematic, click on Place Component, then left-click in the middle of the Eeschema window. A components list appears. In the filter box, type the keyword for the component you want to pick. Our first component will be a resistor, so type R, select resistor, click on OK. Place it on your window by left-clicking on the position you want it to be. To edit the properties of the resistor, hover the mouse over the component, and press the E key. You could also right-click on the component, and select Edit Component, then Edit. In the window that appears, click on Value, then in Field Value, insert the value as 100, then click OK. To add our second component, since the Place component has already been selected, left-click in the Eeschema window. The components list appears. In the filter box, type D and select diode. Place it just below the resistor. Use the R key to rotate the diode, and the M key to move the diode to the right place. Our third component will be the 1x2 connector. We will now connect our components. Select Place Wire, then connect your components. To power our circuit, select Place Power Port, then left-click on the screen. Type 3.3 and select positive 3.3 volts, then place it on your circuit. For ground, type GND and place it at the bottom of your circuit. Connect the two to the circuit using wires. In KiCad, we have to place power flags in our circuit for every power component in your circuit. Select Place Power Port once more, and type in PWR flag, select it, and place it near your power source. Pick another power flag, and place it near your ground. Connect the two to your circuit using wires, and your circuit is ready. Don't forget to ensure a junction is created to prove the connection is created when you place your wires. The components need unique identifiers. This is done by clicking on Annotate schematic components. Select the options, then click Annotate, then OK on the dialog box that appears. The question marks on the components are now replaced by a number unique to each component. This is especially useful in cases where you have more than one component of the same type. Next, we will select Perform Electrical Rules Check. This ensures that all connections are done properly. Click on Run. This should return 0 errors and warnings. Otherwise, information about the errors will be generated in the ERC window, and when you close that window, small green arrows will appear in the location of the error in your schematic. Finally, click on Generate Netlist, then Generate. A test1.net file is created. Save it in your project folder. This file is a description of the connectivity of the electronic circuit, and all options and analysis necessary for simulation of the circuit. We are done.